This plant helps to reduce your chronic cough with bulgum and other respiratory issues. This is Vasa, also known as Adosa in Marathi. It helps to reduce gas, jwar, chardi, meha and kushta. Vasa helps to reduce swelling in throat. Vasa is good in Rakta Pitta condition. Juice of Vasa leaves along with sugar and honey used to control gastric reflexes, bleeding from nose and burning sensation in eyes. Vasa has multiple flowers and it attracts many birds and different kinds of insects. The caption below to know more about Vasa.